Today's topic is algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Define algebraic expression. What is meant by algebraic expression? Definition of algebraic expression. An algebraic expression contains of a single term or multi-terms connected by operations of addition, multiplication, subtractions, and division. Means operators plus, minus, multiply, and divide. We can use these operator in one term or multi terms, yani many terms. This equation is called algebraic expressions. This equation is an example of algebraic expression. We use three terms in this equation. Second one is exponent. Exponent means repeated data. Definition of exponent: the number of times of number is multiplied by itself. X square, x square. Square is exponent. Exponent is another word of power. X is variable. This one, x is variable, and variable is a symbol for a number we don't know. Who is value? X is equal to something, any value, numeric data, algebraic fraction, anything. X is variable and 2 is exponent or power. Y is also variables. This equation use two variables x and y. Coefficient. Coefficient, a number that is placed before the variable, is called exponent. Exponent is also called the multiply factor. 3 and 8 before the variable, then they are called coefficient. 3 and 8 is the coefficient of this equation. Constant. Constant is a symbol with a fixed numeric data. A constant is a number on its own. Fixed numeric value is a constant. Constant is the represented by capital C. This is the example of exponent. 3 is also called power or exponent, and 5 is base. Polynomial and expression of more than two algebraic term. More than two algebraic expression. This one, 3 terms, 1, 2, 3, and this equation have 4 terms. This is called polynomial. Monomial means one term. This equation shows one term. 2, one term, minus 3x, one term, or x square, also one term. Binomial, 2 terms, 2x plus y. Use 2 terms and operator plus, either operator minus. Trinomial, x plus y minus z. Use 3 terms, like term and unlike term. Like term means Same variable and same corresponding exponent. Same variable and the same corresponding exponent is called like terms. These are the example of like terms. Unlike terms, different variables, different exponent, same variables but corresponding of exponent different. These are the example of unlike term. Lecture is completed.